Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm back out here at the park, this time with something new for you guys. This here is the Syma X220W, and this is a foldable GPS drone sent in from Syma for review. And so we're going to check this guy out. It's a little windy out here, so not exactly the best time to try to test this thing, but don't have too many nice enough days to be out here flying this thing, so I had to take my window of opportunity to try to fly this guy. And so it comes with this little transmitter here with the little holder for the phone, and the app that you need to fly this guy is the Syma Air app. And so let's get this thing up in the air and check it out. It comes with this nice carrying case, storage case, and it has a bunch of accessories with it. This drone did come with prop guards, but you guys know I don't install prop guards when I fly drones outdoors, and so I didn't install the prop guards, but they are there in case you need them. It does come with a spare battery. They are 7.6 volt batteries, and so you get 2 of them, and it does come with this little piece in the middle blocking the battery's connection, so you have to remember to remove that before you start to fly this guy. So once you remove that, you're good to go. So let's unfold this guy and get it in the air. So we need at least 7 GPS satellites in order to take off in GPS mode. This thing must have voice control too, because I'm talking and it keeps starting the recording. It's doing it again. It's just recording automatically. Okay, so let's calibrate this guy. It keeps trying to record. So let's do the calibration. Spin it around this way, clockwise, until it flashes rapidly. Then we're going to turn it vertically and spin it around until it goes steady. Okay, so that part's complete. And it's calibrated. We got 6 GPS satellites. We're just waiting on the satellites now to connect. And this thing does have a useful headless mode. The headless mode records the heading that it's facing when you first plug this guy in. I'm not sure I remember which way it was facing when I first plugged it in. So I have no idea what the heading is now. Okay, so we have 7 satellites connected, and the lights on the back are green. And so that's letting us know we can take off with it now. So we're in GPS mode. That's the GPS lock. Looks pretty steady. Staying in place. Move it forward a little bit. The GPS mode is kind of aggressive. It wants to hold position. So I noticed that it pulls back when I let go. But it is holding its position pretty nice. Now, I don't think I can do the GPS return to home because I took off from under a tree. That was the only flat surface that I had out here, away from all the grass and everything to take off from. And I'm just flying it around. If you press down the right stick, it beeps twice, and now it's in sport mode, so it can fly a little faster. Check it out. We're still in GPS mode, but it's just flying it a little faster. It's allowing it to fly a little faster. The speed is turned up to the high speed. So So let's bring it back this way. Okay, so it's really aggressive with trying to hold position. Let's start doing a recording. There's no SD card, so everything is recorded to the phone. And so we're doing video now. Go up a little higher. Let's do a slow pan. Check the video quality. You guys should be seeing this. I can't see it now, so I can't really comment on how the video looks. It looks really nice on the phone though. Check it out. You guys can see that. So we're gonna stop the video so that we have that. Let's take a picture. So photo capture. Here we go. Spin it around a little. Photo capture. And the rear lights turn off for a second to let you know that you took a photo capture. So let's fly it over here. I'm gonna act as if I'm gonna do a return to home, and I'm gonna override it before it hits the tree because I know it'll hit the tree over here. So let's hit the return to home, see what it does. It's gonna go up in the air and it's gonna fly backwards. Go right towards the trees because that tree right there is right over the spot that I took off from. So this guy goes up in the air, I'm guessing, to be able to fly over top of any object or obstruction that it might be encountering, trying to go back to home position. And then it comes and descends down from right over the return to home position. So the home position, it'll descend from up above. So I can't really test that all the way. So for the most part, seems like a pretty decent drone. It does have brushed motors. This is not a brushless motored drone. Check it out. Oh, one other thing, you can control the pitch of the camera. So let's do another recording and let's see if we can pan down. Got my son over there playing around. It's getting a little windy. The wind is blowing. Fighting with the wind here to stay in position. Go up a little higher. Really windy day today. Not the best time to be testing this guy, but I was running out of time. My patience was growing thinner. All these cold days and rainy days, I had to take advantage of this window of opportunity to fly it where it's not too cold, but it is rather windy. But this guy can handle wind pretty well. I'm flying it. It's having its way with the wind. Check it out. I don't know how to turn off the GPS mode and put it in optical flow mode. I think it's automatic. When it doesn't have a GPS lock on any satellites or anything, then it'll just go to optical flow mode, because I was trying to fly this one time and I took off before all the satellites connected. I think I only had like 6 satellites connected, and this guy stayed in optical flow mode, and I didn't know how I can change it to GPS mode. I thought that there was a button or something that you can press, but it turns out that once it connects to 7 satellites, 7 or more, then it'll automatically switch to GPS mode. And so that's what happened in that instance when I was flying it in optical flow mode. Indoors, it'll just go right to optical flow mode. So not bad at all. Pretty awesome little flyer, GPS drone. fighting the wind over here. I'm trying to bring it over and land it. Really too windy to try all the other tricks it does. Once you download the app and you're flying it with the app, it has other functions that you can perform. Ah, man. And this guy crashed into the trees. Well, this guy crashed into the grass over there, but not any damage taken or anything like that. So the Syma X220W, still recording. Let me stop the recording. Pretty nice little flyer from Syma, foldable GPS drone. No video stabilization on it, but you can control the pitch of the camera in the front. You guys can judge for the video footage quality yourselves. Comes with a nice carrying case. The Syma X220W. Thanks for watching.